Islamist extremists and far-right groups are spreading a poison. That poison is extremism.
The United Kingdom has begun rejecting visa applications from most Islamist applicants, regardless of whether they meet all necessary requirements. This stringent policy applies to those seeking work, study, or any other type of visa aiming to enhance national security and safety. And recently, the UK Home Office has been rejecting the majority of visa applications from Lebanon, Palestine, and several other Islamic countries. A notable case involves Amina El-Ashkar, who was awarded a scholarship to pursue a PhD at the London School of Economics. Despite meeting all the requirements, her visa was denied. The Home Office did not provide a specific reason, merely stating that allowing her into the UK would pose a threat to the community. In today's video, we will delve into the reasons behind the UK's decision to reject visas for Islamists and explore why the government believes that granting these visas could lead to further issues. We will discuss recent cases like Amina El-Ashkar's and provide a comprehensive overview of the policies and security concerns driving these decisions. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest news and insights. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we publish new updates and videos on this important topic. Don't miss out on any critical information. Amina El-Ashkar, a distinguished former recipient of a Chevening Scholarship, was recently awarded a full scholarship to pursue her doctoral studies at the London School of Economics. Despite her impressive academic achievements and prior support from a prestigious British government scheme, the UK Home Office has refused to grant her a visa. This decision has sparked significant controversy as Amina El-Ashkar is a Palestinian refugee who has demonstrated exceptional academic potential and dedication. Her case highlights the broader issue of the UK rejecting visas for many individuals from Islamic countries, even those who meet all the necessary requirements and have received prestigious awards or scholarships. The Home Office's refusal to grant her a visa, despite her full scholarship for a doctorate at one of the world's leading institutions, raises important questions about the current visa policies and the reasons behind such rejections. Amina El-Ashkar, who was born and raised in Lebanon and describes herself as a stateless Palestinian, successfully applied for the 4-year PhD program at the London School of Economics (LSE) in 2022. In 2019, Amina El-Ashkar was a recipient of a Chevening Scholarship, a program for emerging leaders funded by the UK's Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office. This scholarship enabled her to complete a master's degree in Israeli studies at the School of Oriental and African Studies SOAS in London. Despite her impressive academic background and previous support from a prestigious UK government program, the Home Office has refused to grant her a visa to pursue her doctorate at LSE. This decision underscores the broader issue of the UK rejecting visas for many individuals from Islamic countries, even those with outstanding qualifications and awards. In response to her visa application, the Home Office informed Amina El-Ashkar that it had been denied on the grounds that granting it would harm public interest. No further reasons or explanations were provided. Following this decision, Amina El-Ashkar instructed lawyers to submit judicial review proceedings against the Home Office's decision. However, she later discovered that the Home Office had failed to disclose that the Home Secretary at the time, Suella Braverman, had personally approved the decision. This case highlights significant issues within the visa application process and the lack of transparency in decision-making. Her situation underscores the broader trend of the UK rejecting visas for many individuals from Islamic countries, even those with outstanding qualifications and previous support from prestigious programs. Recently, a judge in the Upper Tribunal for Immigration and Asylum cases criticized the Home Secretary James Cleverly for not disclosing that he personally certified the decision to deny Amina El-Ashkar a student visa. The judge deemed this lack of transparency unlawful. Ashkar's lawyers expressed concern over the Home Office's failure to provide any reasons for denying her visa, describing it as difficult to understand. This lack of clarity raises questions about whether her visa was refused due to diplomatic relations between the United Kingdom and another country. Despite her impressive academic background and previous support from a prestigious UK government program, her visa was denied on the vague grounds of harming public interest. Amina El-Ashkar stated, "My acceptance into the PhD program at a prestigious institution like the London School of Economics was a source of immense pride, not just for my family and friends, but for the entire community in the camp." Human rights lawyer Alexander Hogg, who represents her, emphasized the unfairness of the Home Office's decision not to provide an explanation for denying her student visa. "It is deeply concerning that the Home Secretary refuses to provide any details as to why our client has been refused a visa," said Hogg. "It is deeply unfair to our client Amina El-Ashkar. She deserves to know why the Home Secretary has refused her entry to the UK, and the public deserves transparency in how visa decisions are made." The Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office (FCDO) declined to comment, stating the case was under the Home Office's jurisdiction. At the time of writing, the Home Office did not provide any comment. What are your thoughts on this? Is the UK government justified in halting visa issuances to individuals from Islamic countries? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for upcoming updates. And